budget is entirely up to you how much you want to put in, but it will give you some recommendations as to how much traffic there is in your local area. And it also depends on the radius or the locations where you are targeting your ads. So over here, for £21 on daily spend, I can potentially reach up to 600 to 1,000 people and get 90 to 160 clicks per month. Recommended, go by that, or you can put in your own budget if you like. Okay, go next. Now it is on the campaign settings, so I can rename this as Google Ads Smart. Campaign goal is that your ad is here, and I would also recommend you put in multiple ads and not just run with one ad, at least 2 to 3. You got your budgets. I've got my products and services in here, my phone call, and it has been you added a phone number to your ad to receive verified phone calls. That's true. Next. It's so easy, you can't go wrong. And you are going to get this message over here, pending under review. And that's how quick and easy it is to set up a Google Ads smart campaign.